Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from binary tree, which is called print the top view of a binary tree. Okay, so I would recommend, if you have not seen my video on print vertical order, so please go there and check that video which I have just uploaded before this one. Okay, and that's just one line of change. So if you, I just remind you what we were doing there. So let's say this is your tree 1 2 3. Okay, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. Now if I start root from 0, and if I go to left I will give -1, and if I go right hand side I will give +1. So here 0 -1 -1, 0 +1 +1, -1 -1 -2, -1 +1 0. Okay, +1 -1 0, +1 +1 +2. So this is how we will be giving the columns number, okay, to these nodes. So if I draw a vertical line, okay, like this, so -2, and then for -1 I will draw this, and for 0 I will draw something like this, for +1 I'll draw this, and +2 I'll draw this. Okay, now if someone is checking from here, okay, if someone is checking from here, from top, okay, he will see only these nodes. See, he will see only these nodes, this 4, okay, this 2, this 1, this 3, and this 7. So you need to print only this top view. How you will do this? Very simple. See, when if you remember, in the vertical order we were putting node in the map. Okay, so this time we will put only the first node. So for example, for this level, for this -2 level, first node is 4, so you will put only 4. Okay, for this -1 level, first node was 2, so you will put only 2. Okay, for this 0 level, first node is 1, so you will add only first one, and for +1 it is 3, and for 7 it is +2 it is 7. Okay, so how you will do this? You will just add one check here. If map is not contain this column, then only put this map.put.node value. So only first time it will run, and second, third time it will not run. So that's it, and the code is exactly similar to the vertical order. Just one condition change. So that's it. Thank you.